In this video, I will be going over nuisance alarms, how to view them, how to add a nuisance tag to an alarm, and how to remove a nuisance tag from an alarm. To view nuisance alarms, we can go to the left side here, go to the nuisance section. This will show us a list of alarms and the tags with the nuisance alarm. We can search for certain nuisances, and we can also use the filter option. We can also go to the device list and go to any device page. And there at the bottom, we can add a new note, one of those notes being a nuisance alarm note. This will allow us to identify which alarm we think is the nuisance, when it expires, and a note. If we go to the alarm validation screen, we can also validate alarms as nuisance by acknowledging them on the right side here. We can say that this is a nuisance alarm. It should be noted that any currently existing nuisance alarms on tags will not appear on the alarm validation screen because they have already been acknowledged as a nuisance. If the nuisance alarm goes past the expiry date, they will show up on the screen with a yellow symbol here. If we click on this circuit, this will bring us to the device page where it shows us any current alarm and that it is a nuisance. In the current notes section, we see that this nuisance alarm has gone past the expiry date. We can choose to extend this expiry date, or we can archive and delete this note saying that this is no longer a nuisance alarm and requires further investigation. If we go back to the nuisance page, we can see that the current nuisance alarms can be archived here, and we can show archived to see any previous nuisance alarms.